How's it going, folks? I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today we're checking out Popular Mechanics, July 1980. What we do is take a look through here and see how society and how technology has changed over the years. It's hard to believe that this thing's over 40 years old, and we're definitely looking at a different society. Ha, tough Chevy love. I don't know about you guys, but I tend to appreciate the older trucks more than the newer ones. When you get it on the inside of them, they look more like space stations than they do trucks. The new ones, anyways. Maybe it's because I look back and remember a bunch of stern, hard old men that always had a good old school truck. And then maybe a Chevette on the side. I still haven't gotten used to the fact that these are old school oil cans. The older folks will know, but you used to stick a metal thing right in there and away you go. Now we got the all plastic, of course. I wonder if these things were recyclable. I wonder if the oil cans that we have now are recyclable. Well, that's an interesting oscilloscope. Don't they, aren't they usually a line? Like left to right, not a circle? Huh. If you trust the advertisements in these things about Canada, you'd think that we're nothing but a bunch of alcoholic. Well, okay, I guess that's accurate. Man, Salem is advertising all the time in Popular Mechanics. I don't remember seeing it around at all. I bet we just didn't even have them in Canada. But when I went down to the States, it seemed like everyone was smoking Marlboro. Marlboro? Yeah, Marlboro and Joe Camel, yeah. I like to say, this is what Christians experience after they get out of Sunday Mass. They leave with their hearts drawn and all of their sins spoken for and have a hit of Salem. Carlton is the lowest in tar. That's interesting how everyone was interested in having the low tar Sagret. Geez, that's interesting. The Bulldog is Austin Martin's idea of the ultimate roadside car. It looks like you could fit right under a transport with that. So low to the ground, so cute. Road glue. All right. A simple alternative to mopeds, the bike machine. I knew one kid that had a motor on his bike. He had it like right here. The thing was loud as heck, but everyone turned their heads and looked just because he had a motorbike. The world's first and only solar powered watch. And again, those go for quite a bit of money if you can get one. It's one of the only watches I've ever seen where the time is this way, not that way. Well, this is the first time I've heard of this. A solid state camera? I think that means it's a digital camera. Booming. Yeah. Huh. Only $15,000. That looks like a machine that makes motherboards. There's some really interesting ones. It's really something to see those things fire off and run. Winston lights don't compromise. Why should I? That's right, I'm going to live my life based on cigarettes. Toro, I only started hearing about them when I started looking for lawnmowers to buy in Canadian Tire. It's interesting. Get anything at Kmart. Whatever happened to Kmart anyways, I wonder. Anytime I see an advertisement for something to clear up athlete's foot, I wonder, would that work for yeast infection too? That's interesting. They're advertising an Aquadrill. This is the kind of thing that jerks who go to Home Depot would buy, use in an afternoon, and then return immediately. I don't know about you guys, but they've had to change their return policy because of that, especially generators, pressure sprayers, a lot of stuff like that. It's sad that many of us have to pay the price for a few jerks. Now this guy here looks a little bit too interested in that duck. I've always been a little bit concerned about this advertisement. I've never seen a man this interested in a duck. Build a basement water alarm. Yeah, I had one of those and it came in really damn handy. Really handy when the power went out. All that it takes is a 9-volt battery. Old Crown, the original sour mash. I've never heard of sour mash. What the frick is sour? Now I'm gonna go into the LCBO and ask for some sour mash. Wait, check this out. Oh my god, it even gives you the frickin' blueprints to that water alarm. Holy frick. Louis Rossman. Fighting for the right to repair, the right to have these kinds of schematics. Build one at home. No, that's crazy. Olympia! You guys remember that old Hercules cartoon? Olympus, I'm so glad that I don't have to use those old cameras anymore. And this guy, if he's still living, is probably upset nobody's using my technology. Can you imagine all the technology that went into this stuff that we don't use at all anymore? Guys, it's Stevie Wonder again. I found Stevie Wonder. Watch this foe meet Grease. Really. Unless you have a classic car, would there be any reason that you'd want to clean grease off of your engine? I mean, grease acts like an anti-rust agent, right? Bombs bursting in the air. That's what the puppy dogs think when they hear it, man. In Kitchener, we've banned these things. The time fuse, first break, second break, third break. Awesomeness. Ooh, Lord Nikon. Everybody knows how much I love these types of images. I just can't imagine the artist. Have all that going on in your head. Yeah, back in the day it was easy to screw up a shot if you didn't have the right type of lighting, right? If there's one thing the Whammons love, it's television. Seen here. Not bad. Not bad. And the TV's pretty good too. Could you imagine trying to watch it off of that little thing? That must be the size of the one they were making fun of the Night Court. Remember that one episode of Night Court where Bull got one? I think Bull got it. Popular Mechanic designs your personal word processor. Are you talking the software? Are we making that? No, you're using an Apple II there, you silly goose. I saw what you did there. Aw, yeah, y'all know how much I love teardowns. Interesting daughter board. Be a lowercase adapter? What, you put that on there if you want a lowercase letter? So you're not... But don't you know that caps lock is cruise control for cool? Calculator stand. Oh, and a lock. Oh. I was going to say, what a mundane thing to make, but with the lock on there, I mean, calculators used to be pretty expensive. Vantage, the ultimate sagrat. You play baseball, you like women, you need a Vantage. Suddenly, I want to get one of these just to mess around with, just to see what's going on under the surface. Did they build that with pipe? No, that's got to be metal. I was thinking PVC pipe, that wouldn't be too secure. I'd actually love to get one of these. A Heathkit? A Heathkit, yeah. And you put it all together, and there you go. I love it how you can use cupcake trays in order to keep everything where it's supposed to be and whatnot. Check this out, guys. Advertisements for free candy vans. There was a time when it was really cool to have. You do a lot of good stuff with that. And these days, after media and TV is internet got to us, internet. Now it's a horrible thing full of nightmares. Oh. Anyways, Popular Mechanics, January 1980. July 1980, sorry. That's it for me, folks. I would not want to do that. I would hurt myself. Have a good one. Let's see how much that helmet helps you, buddy. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other.